3D Paper Cubes by GCC Scrapbook Cutter. Involving heavy cardstock cutting, layering, folding, and assembling techniques, this application processes flat paper materials and transforms them into 3D products, perfectly fusing creative concepts with 3D paper cards. iCraft helps you to complete an impressive and creative work with ease. Place the material on the adhesive sheet. Open the front cover of iCraft. Press the Feed Eject button to load the material and fix it with pinch rollers. You can create the file through Illustrator, CorelDRAW, or SCA. Select the import icon from SCA to import the file. Right-click and select Ungroup. Add 3 pages in turn and allocate one item to each page. Select the dotted line layer. Set the dash gap to make lines for folding. Select the Cut with Cutter icon. Select Cut with Cutter in the Cut setting window and set the cutting parameter. Select Cut in the Cut setting window. iCraft is cutting the sample. Cutting is complete. The 3D paper cube is assembling. The sample is complete.